When it comes to building wealth for retirement, understanding 401k plans is crucial. These employer-sponsored retirement accounts offer tax advantages and can significantly impact your financial future. However, many people, especially those who are not financially savvy, miss out on maximizing their potential. This is where the wealthy often have an edge. They tend to approach 401k strategies with a level of insight that the average person may not possess. Rich individuals often leverage their 401k plans in ways that go beyond mere contributions. They understand the importance of investment diversification, taking full advantage of employer matching, and utilizing tax strategies that can enhance their retirement savings. While the average person might simply contribute a set percentage of their paycheck, the wealthy are more likely to actively manage their investments, adjust their contributions based on market conditions, and seek professional advice to optimize their plans. In this video, we will delve into the financial wisdom that separates the rich from the average when it comes to 401k strategies. By exploring these insights, you can empower yourself to make smarter decisions about your own retirement savings. Understanding 401k basics. A 401k plan is a type of employer-sponsored retirement account designed to help employees save for retirement while enjoying certain tax benefits. The primary purpose of a 401k is to provide a structured way for individuals to set aside a portion of their income, which can grow over time through investments. This growth is crucial for building a substantial nest egg for retirement. One key aspect of 401k plans is the contribution limits set by the IRS. As of 2023, employees can contribute up to $22,500 annually, with an additional catch-up contribution of $7,500 for those aged 50 and older. Many employers also offer matching contributions, which means they will match a portion of what you contribute, effectively giving you free money to boost your retirement savings. Another significant advantage of 401k accounts is the tax benefits they provide. Contributions are made pre-tax, reducing your taxable income for the year, which can lead to immediate tax savings. Additionally, the money in your 401k grows tax-deferred until you withdraw it in retirement, allowing your investments to compound without the burden of annual taxes. Understanding these fundamentals is essential for making the most of your retirement planning. When it comes to 401k plans, the investment choices you make can significantly impact your retirement savings. One of the most important strategies is diversification. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, you can reduce risk and enhance potential returns. A well-diversified portfolio can help protect your savings from market volatility, ensuring that you're better positioned for long-term growth. Common investment vehicles within 401k plans include mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities, making them a popular choice for those looking for professional management. ETFs, on the other hand, are similar but trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks, offering flexibility and often lower fees. Wealthy individuals often take their investment strategies a step further by leveraging alternative investments within their 401k plans. These can include real estate, commodities, or even private equity. While not all 401k plans allow for alternative investments, those that do can provide unique opportunities for growth and diversification. By understanding and exploring these investment options, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Maximizing employer contributions. Employer matching contributions are a powerful feature of many 401k plans, allowing employees to boost their retirement savings significantly. Essentially, when you contribute a portion of your salary to your 401k, your employer may match a percentage of that contribution, up to a certain limit. This means that for every dollar you contribute, your employer adds additional funds, effectively giving you free money to enhance your retirement savings. To ensure you are contributing enough to receive the full match, start by reviewing your employer's matching policy. Many companies match contributions up to a specific percentage of your salary, so aim to contribute at least that amount. If your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary, for instance, make sure you are contributing at least 6% to maximize the match. The long-term benefits of maximizing employer contributions are substantial. Not only do these contributions increase your overall retirement savings, but they also benefit from compound growth over time. By taking full advantage of employer matching, you can significantly enhance your financial security in retirement, making it a crucial strategy for anyone looking to build a robust retirement portfolio. Tax strategies. One of the most appealing features of 401k plans is the tax-deferred growth they offer. When you contribute to a traditional 401k, your contributions are made with pre-tax dollars, meaning you don't pay taxes on that money until you withdraw it in retirement. This allows your investments to grow without the immediate tax burden, maximizing your potential for compound growth over the years. For those looking to optimize their tax strategies, Roth 401k options present an attractive alternative. With a Roth 401k, you contribute after tax dollars, allowing for tax-free withdrawals in retirement, provided certain conditions are met. This can be particularly beneficial for wealthy individuals who anticipate being in a higher tax bracket during retirement, as it allows them to lock in their current tax rate on contributions. To minimize taxes upon withdrawal, wealthy individuals often employ strategies such as timing their withdrawals to stay within lower tax brackets or converting traditional 401k funds to a Roth 401k during years of lower income. Additionally, they may consider withdrawing funds strategically to manage their taxable income, ensuring they take full advantage of deductions and credits available to them. By understanding and implementing these tax strategies, individuals can significantly enhance their retirement savings and financial security. Planning your withdrawals from a 401k plan is crucial to avoid penalties and ensure your retirement savings last as long as possible. One of the key considerations is the age at which you begin withdrawing funds. If you take money out before age 59.5, you may face a 10% early withdrawal penalty, in addition to regular income taxes. Therefore, careful planning is essential to avoid unnecessary costs and maximize your retirement income. Another important aspect of withdrawal strategies is understanding required minimum distributions, RMDs. Once you reach age 73, the IRS mandates that you begin withdrawing a minimum amount from your 401k each year. Failing to take your RMD can result in hefty penalties, so it's vital to stay informed about these requirements and plan accordingly. To stretch the longevity of your retirement funds, consider strategies such as the 4% rule, which suggests withdrawing 4% of your initial retirement savings annually, adjusted for inflation. Additionally, you might explore options like delaying Social Security benefits to increase your monthly payout or using a combination of taxable and tax-deferred accounts to manage your tax liability. By implementing these effective withdrawal strategies, you can enhance your financial security throughout retirement. Common mistakes to avoid. When it comes to managing a 401k plan, individuals often fall into several common pitfalls that can hinder their retirement savings. One of the most significant mistakes is cashing out early. While it may be tempting to access those funds for immediate needs, doing so can lead to hefty penalties and tax implications. Not only do you lose a portion of your savings to taxes and penalties, but you also miss out on the potential growth those funds could have generated over time. Another common error is neglecting to rebalance investment portfolios. As market conditions change, the allocation of your investments can shift, leading to increased risk or reduced returns. Failing to regularly rebalance can result in a portfolio that no longer aligns with your risk tolerance or financial goals, potentially jeopardizing your retirement plans. Additionally, many individuals overlook the importance of regularly reviewing and adjusting their contributions. Life circumstances change, and so should your savings strategy. By not increasing contributions, especially when you receive raises or bonuses, you may miss opportunities to maximize your retirement savings. Staying proactive in these areas can help you avoid costly mistakes and ensure a more secure financial future. In this video, we've explored the essential insights that wealthy individuals have regarding 401k plans, highlighting strategies that can significantly enhance retirement savings. We discussed the importance of understanding 401k basics, including contribution limits and tax advantages, as well as the value of diversifying investments within these plans. We also examined how to maximize employer contributions and the tax strategies that can optimize your savings. One of the key takeaways is the importance of informed decision-making in retirement planning. By understanding the nuances of 401k plans, such as withdrawal strategies and common mistakes to avoid, you can make smarter choices that align with your long-term financial goals. As you embark on your journey to financial security, remember that knowledge is power. Together, we can empower ourselves and others to make informed financial decisions for a brighter future.